Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you thought iOS 26 was already packed with features, get ready because iOS 26.4 Beta 1 has just arrived and a big update is imminent. Apple is clearly preparing something major, and this beta gives us strong clues about what's coming next. With every mid-cycle update, Apple doesn't just fix bugs, it fine-tunes performance, improves battery optimization, and quietly introduces features that often go unnoticed at first. iOS 26.4 Beta 1 appears to focus heavily on stability and speed. Early testers are reporting smoother animations, faster app launching times, and better thermal management. That means your iPhone may run cooler and more efficiently once this update is finalized. One of the biggest areas of improvement seems to be battery performance. After previous versions caused noticeable drain for some users, this beta appears to optimize background processes more aggressively. System intelligence tasks are more controlled, and idle battery drain seems reduced. If you've been struggling with battery life, this could be the fix you've been waiting for. There are also refinements in system apps, subtle interface tweaks, improved notification responsiveness, and smoother transitions suggest Apple is polishing the overall user experience. While these changes may look small, they create a more fluid and premium feel in daily use. Security updates are another major focus. Apple consistently patches vulnerabilities in beta cycles before public release. iOS 26.4 is expected to strengthen privacy protections and tighten background app permissions. That means better protection against tracking and improved control over your personal data. Performance improvements may also extend to older devices. Apple typically uses 4 updates to balance performance across supported iPhones, ensuring that even users with older hardware experience stability improvements rather than slowdowns. However, remember, this is still a beta. That means minor bugs, occasional app crashes, and unexpected behavior are normal at this stage. It's designed for developers and testers, not everyday users who rely on maximum stability. So what does this mean? iOS 26.4 Beta 1 signals that Apple is preparing a polished, refined update aimed at performance, battery efficiency, and security. The final public release could arrive sooner than expected, and it may be one of the most important stability updates of the iOS 26 cycle. If you're considering installing the beta, make sure you back up your device first. Otherwise, waiting for the official release might be the smarter move. Big changes are coming, and iOS 26.4 might be the update that perfects the experience. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.